Hiya, Rick here from the Financially Independent Millennial. This is the first video in a series called Finance Fridays. Finance Fridays is a series of 90-second videos where I cover something important related to finance and publish every Friday. Alright, so let's begin. Are you thinking of retiring early or retiring soon? Or maybe you're already retired? Well, you might have guessed that when you're retired, you'll have some similar challenges from when you were working. For example, when we work, generally, over time, we get raises. And that helps offset inflation or the rising costs of goods that we consume, like gas prices. Well, when we invest in retirement, that has to work as well. We need to get raises to cover high expenses. And the easiest, most straightforward way to generate income in retirement is through dividends. But put simply, dividends is cash that's paid to you, the investor, just for owning the stock. Think of it like collecting rent. And the money usually gets paid quarterly, but some stocks, they pay dividends monthly, semi-annually, or annually. But in general, stocks pay every 3 months. The important thing to think about when investing in dividend stocks is to invest in quality stocks that have a long history of not just paying a dividend, but increasing their dividends. Kind of like getting a raise. Now, there's two groups of dividend stocks that do exactly this: dividend kings and the dividend aristocrats. Dividend aristocrats are blue chip stocks that are listed on the S&P 500 index and have raised their dividends for at least each of the last 25 years. These are companies you know and love, like McDonald's and Walmart. And then you have the dividend kings. Now, these are the best of the best. Dividend kings are also blue chip stocks, like Johnson & Johnson and Coca-Cola, but they've raised their dividend for each of the last 50 years. Imagine owning a stock for 50 years and year after year, your dividend is increased. Well, with the dividend kings, you get just that. You see, owning the right dividend stocks can help replace your income in retirement, and you get a raise each and every year.